Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change the default downloads location on Vivaldi Browser. First, open the Vivaldi Browser. Then open Settings. Choose Downloads. You can enable the Vivaldi browser to save files to the default location without asking, or updating the default location when choosing to save as location. You can also display downloads automatically and notify of completed downloads. Or you can change the default downloads location on your laptop and choose your default folder.